Oh my gosh, Kyle, put that on your channel.
Probably is.
Oh, 3 got there. I don't know how the pop got there.
Okay, so you guys remember how in yesterday's vlog I said that my dog was having surgery, and I said that she was gonna be fine. Here she is. How you feeling, Penny? How you feeling? How are you feeling, Penny? Is that how you feel? Are you tired? She's fine. Okay, so my friend Ryan tagged me in this video, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. And I kind of really want this, I'm not gonna lie. I really want to get into drone photography and aerial photography, and I think this would be really cool once it comes out. But I really want a drone. I'm running for vice president for my class, and freshman year I was VP or vice president, and that was honestly a mess. But I'm willing to do it again because our class is still a mess. But yeah, I'm running for VP, so that means my vlogs should have more in it for like next year, like the next school year. That is, they should have more in it, and they should be more interesting because there's more to film. But yeah, VP, if I win. That's if I win, which I think I probably will, because we have to make a video, and I'm pretty decent at editing, not gonna lie. But yeah, running for VP. Hopefully I win. I will let you guys know when I do.